Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 9 maths. The chapter name today we discuss that are percents. The only two lessons are left from that chapter. That's why we also start the chapter measurements. Okay? So the lessons from the chapter percents are percent of a number, tax discount and more, multi-step problems with percents. And the chapter from the measurements, these are the lessons which is precision, convert rates and measurements customer units, convert rates and measurements metric units. So these are the two lessons, these are the two chapters today we covered. Okay, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and passwords that are provided by the administrator. Select math from the subject tab, scroll down to the grade 9. So look at here, here are the list of the chapters from the grade 9. So today we start the persons. Firstly, let's do with it. So the lesson from that chapter, only two lessons are left. So first we discuss the percent of a number, tax discount, and more. So here the question is, Martha buy an oil painting priced at $94. Shipping and handling are an additional 10% of the price. So how much shipping and handling will Martha pay? So first of all, we are going to finding it out. What is the 10%? 10% means like, look at here. So what is the meaning of 10%? 10% means 10 divided by hundreds. Okay. So when you are basically going to divide 10 over the 100, so what's the answer you get it? You are getting like 0.1. This is the percent way. Okay, if any number which is in the form of percent, so when you're going to finding it out, so you do that method, just dividing that number over 10. Okay, and now what's the next? They are saying that Martha, how much the price, that is $94. So you are going to multiply 94 with 0.1. Let's do it and let's check what's the answer. Okay, so it's 94 multiply with 0.1. So when we're going to multiply 94 with the one, first of all it's 4 and 9 cross like it's 0 and 0. Okay, so look at here, when you're going to multiply 94 with 0 point like 0.1, so here you get the answer. You're going to put how much of it? It's 4, 9 and 0. 0 comes nothing, so it's 9.4. Okay, so now when we see that, they are saying that, so 9.40 is the shipping handling. Okay, so this is basically the answer. Understand how to solve the question. First of all, what we do, we are going to finding it out the 10%. So what's the answer for the 10%? How to finding it out? Just dividing by 100. Okay, so just simply dividing by 100, then we get it. And how much the thing which is given, that is 40 $94. So just multiply $94 with 0.1. Okay, and then we get the answer. So here, sale is 20% off to the original price. The original price of the oil painting is $75. What's the sale price? So here they are saying that we are going to finding it out 20% of 75. Okay, so what's the discount? Discount is basically how much the sale and how much basically the total original price. Okay, So when we see that the original price is basically 75 and 20% is off, so how can we finding it out? First of all, we find the discount. Let's do it. How to find the discount? We are going to finding it out. 20% of 75. It's 75? Yeah, it's $75. Now look, how to find the 25%? 25% is basically, how to find out the 25%? We're going to finding it out the 25% by dividing over 100. Okay? By dividing with 100. So when we are going to finding it out, it's 25 over 100 dot 75. This dot means multiplication. So 25 over 100 is basically 0.2. Then you're going to multiply with 75. So 0.2 multiply with 75, then you get the answer, that is 15. Okay, so this is your discount. Now we are going to finding it out the sale price. Okay, so what is your sale price? How to finding it out? So there is a formula to finding it out the sale price. You are going to subtract original price from the discount. What is the original price? That is $75.00 minus 15, that is a discount, 0.00. If you're going to put it out, because after the point 0 there is nothing. Okay, so 75 minus 15, which is 60, and then 0.00 if you are able to put it, otherwise there is no need to put it out. Okay, original price minus discount, so this is the basically 60, that is the sale price. Okay, so how to finding it out? First of all, there is a one method. In that method, what we do, we're just simply finding it out. First of all, the percent thing. Okay, when we finding it out the percent thing, and then just simply multiply the total amount. Okay, now here we're gonna multiply, and then we finding it out the answer. Now in that question, we are first finding it out the discount. How much the discount? We are first finding it out the 20% of that original price. So 20% of the original price, when we check the 20% of the original price, it's 25%, that is 25 divided over 100. Then multiply with 75 and then check the answer. Then we find the sale price. What is the sale price? The original price subtraction of discount. And then this is your sale price, and that is the answer. Okay, this is the way to solve it. Now, the sales tax rate is 5%. If any buys acquired priced at 36, so what will be the total cost including test? So first of all, this is 5% and that is 36. So here, sorry, so here, first of all, we're going to finding it out. Okay, so how much the percent? That is 5%. What does it mean? It means that 5 divided by 100. So how can we finding it out? 5 divided by 100 by using calculator. The answer is 0.05. Okay. And then how much of it? It's 36. $36. So just simply multiplying 0.05 with 36. So now when we multiply 6 with 5, that is 30. You're going to put 0 and 3 goes up. 6 times 0 is 0. And what you gonna put it here? 3. 6 times 0 is 0. Times 5 times 3 is 15. 5 is here, 1 goes up. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 here. 3 0 is 0. Okay. Now what's the answer? So the answer is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8 and it's 1. You are going to put the points after how many digits? After 2 digits. So after 2 digits, I am just going to putting the point here. So here is my answer, that is 1.80. Okay. So this is a basically, you are saying that this is the decimal point. Okay. This is basically decimal by the price. Now we are going to finding it out the total cost including tax. So what is the total cost? Total cost is this one add up with this one. Okay. So we are going to add up 36 with 1.80. When we are going to add up these two, this is in the dollar form, this is in the dollar, and when we are going to add it, that's become 37.80. And this is basically your total cost. Okay, understand this one? So this is the way how to solve this question. All right, let's do one more question. So I hope you understand all these lessons. Now let's discuss the last lesson of that chapter, which is multi-step problems with persons. So here is, let's discuss the first question. What is the first question? They are saying that as a salesperson, Spencer earns a base salary of $71 per week plus a commission of 12% of sales. How much the commission? 12%. So if he had $75 in sales last week, so what was his total pay? So first of all, we're going to finding it out the commission. What is the commission? Commission is basically commission in percentage multiply with sale. Okay, so how much of it? It's 12% of 75. First of all, going to find out this one. 12% of 75, then just adding their previous salary with that salary. Okay, and then in this way we're going to finding it out the answer. So 12% of 75. So this is your commission. Okay, so 12% is 12 divided by 100 times 75. 12 divided by 100 over 75. Okay, so what is the answer of 12 divided by 100? When you're going to finding it out, the answer is 0.12 times 75. Let's check by using calculator. What's the answer? You got it? When I multiply, then the answer I got it, which is 9. Okay, so this is the basically commission. So how much the commission? Commission was $9. So now how much the total pay? Already is given, it's $71. You're going to add up with $9. So 71 plus 9, that is 80. So this is the basically total pay, that was $80. Understand? This is the way that we solve the question. Now let's discuss the next. Trent bought a wooden bench that was marked down 60% from an original price of 75. Okay. If he paid 10% sale tax, what was the total cost of the wooden bench? So we are going to finding it out the total cost of that wooden bench. So what is the discount price? Your discount price is original price minus discount. First of all, you are going to finding it out the discount. How to find the discount? Discount is 60% of 75. Let's finding it out discount firstly. 60% of 75. This is your discount. Okay. So 60% is 60 divided by 100 times 75. What is 60 divided by 100, which is 0.06? Multiply with 75. When you are going to multiply these two numbers, so then you got the answer 45. This is your discount. Now finding it out discount price. So what is your discount price? So when we see the discount price, so what's it? Its original price, original price, then you're going to subtract the discount. Okay. Now original price, how much the original price that is given in the question, which is 75, and how much the discount, which is 45. So when we subtract both of it, then you get the answer 30. So the discount was $30. Okay. Now find the tax. This is basically discount price. How to find? First of all, finding discount. How to find discount? 60% of 75, and then just finding it out the original price. Okay. Original price is given in the question, sorry, it's mentioned. And then we are going to finding it out the discount price, just subtracting. Now finding it out the tax. So how much the tax is basically, it's given the question. So your tax cost is basically discount price plus tax. First of all, finding tax, then finding it out total cost. So for tax, we are going to finding it out tax percentage multiply with amount. What is the tax percentage? Look at here now. 60% we're going to 10% sale tax. They are saying that. Okay. How much the sale tax? That is 10%. So when we write it down, the tax, this is a basically like in the form of tax percentage, tax percentage. You are going to multiply with the amount. How much the tax percentage? It's 10%. Okay. And how much the amount? The amount which is given now, that is 30. What is 10% of 30? 10% is 10 divided by 100, multiply with 30. What is 10 divided by 100? That is 0.1, multiply with 30. So we get the answer 3. This is your tax. Okay, so how much the tax? That is $3. Got it? Now we are going to finding it out the basically total cost. So here finally we are going to find the total cost, which is discount price plus tax. What is the discount price? That is given 30. And how much the tax? That is 3. So this is 33. So this is the total cost. Now I'm going to write down the formulas here. Just mark, okay? First formula that you need, which is, sorry. It's- So the first formula that you need to understand, that is a discount price, original price, okay? And then you're going to write down this one. Second formula that you need to understand, which is tax, okay? The taxed formula, it's here, and you need to memorize it as well, okay? These two. Then for the third, last but not the least, this one. So these are the formulas, okay? Discount formula is easy, that just a percentage. Discount price is original price minus discount. What is the tax? Tax percentage times amount, and how much the total cost, which is discount price plus tax. Okay, so these are the three formulas. If you want to write it down, then it will help you. Save it, all these formula in your notes. So now these are the formulas for basically. Now what is the discount price, which is original price minus discount? What is the discount? That is discount percentage times original price. And what's the tax formula? That is total pay, that is equals to base salary plus commission. These are all three formulas that we use in this question. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So practice the questions, then you need to more understand measurements. So let's start the first one lesson, that is precision. So which measurement is more precise? So look at here, which measurement is more precise? Measurements. I was just checking my mic, okay? So 41 tons, 95.4 tons. So in 41 tons is measured to the tons, but 95.4 tons is measured to the tenth of the ton. Like for example, this one is in the tenth place. Let me just, okay, like it's 95.4. This 4 is in 10th place. So we just counted with the 10th place. Okay. So which one is the more precise? So the precise measurement is 95.4. Okay. This is a basically precise measurement. 95.4. Now, which measurement is more precise? 42 meter or 11.52 meters? Every number which is in the form of, like you can say that a decimal, so it's more able to understand. Like you can measure it in the form of tenths place, hundred place, okay, you can measure it like in these kind of questions. So for that we can say that these are the precise as compared to the other one. So which measurement is more precise? Look at here, 62.8 feet or 78 feet. So what is the basically meaning of precision? In precision is basically like how to exact a measurement, okay, when all the units are same, so the measurement with more decimal places is more precise. This is basically the definition of precision. Okay, so what is the precision? I'm going to tell you all firstly. So what is the precision? The precision is basically like how to exact a measurement, okay? How to exact a measurement is like the measurements with more decimal places, with more decimal places is more precise. Okay, so what is the precision? Precision is basically how to exact a measurement, and you can say that measurement is like with more decimal places is more precise. Okay, so if they are saying that like there are two measurements which are given, for example 41.92 and 71, so which measurement is more precise? Like in the decimal one, with the more precise, this measurement is more precise as compared to this one. So the next here, let's do the test questions. Which measurement is more precise? Check it out. Which one is in the form of decimal? So the decimal one is more precise as compared to the other one. So in the decimal, which is 58.09, and the other one is 9 centimeter. So the decimal one is more precise. So we can say that 58.09. So here we go with the option 58.09. So which measurement is more precise? Look at here, there is 86 gallons, and for the next one is 45.7 gallons. So which one is more precise? 45.7 gallons or 86 gallons? Think about it, then I will mark, okay? So which measurement is I'm just checking, okay? So here is 45.7 gallons, obviously because it's in the form of decimal, so decimal have more precise as compared to the other. Which measurement is more precise, 62.29 cl or 40.7? Which one? Now look at here, more decimal places it's more accurate. So let's do with this option. Okay, let's check. Okay, because in here there is only one place, tens place, and for that one there is hundredth place. So that one is more able to understand. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So let's discuss the next one. Okay, convert rates and measurements customer units. So here are they are saying that 28 cups. So how many quarter? What is the meaning of quarter firstly? The quarter means like 1 by 4. Okay? So you are going to multiply this 28 with that quarter, 28 with the 1 by 4. So when we multiply then we get the answer. Let's check. What is the meaning of quarter? Firstly, quarter means 1 by 4. Here is 28 is given and multiply with 1 by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 7 is 28. So it's 7. Okay, quarter. QT represent the quarter here. Let's discuss the next. 48 inches, how many feet? As we know that in 1 inch, how many feet? It's 1 by 12, like 12 inches in 1 feet. So inches are given. So in place of these inches, we are going to put 1 by 12. Okay, so 48 times 1 by 12. So 12 time, which number is 48? 12 times 4 is 48. Okay, so here the 4 is your like answer. Again the same thing, 72 inches, and then convert it into the feet. You're going to multiply with 1 by 12 and then just check it out, like any number which is in the form of inches, like here 60 inches, how many feet? So how can we solve it? We're going to solve like this way: 60 multiply 1 by 12. 12 times 1, 12 times 5. This is 5 feet. Got it? Like for example, if the feet are given 108 inches, so how many feet? You guys tell me the answer of this one. How to solve it? Think about it, everyone. So it's 108 times 1 by 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 9 is 108. So 108 feet is your answer. Sorry, 9 is your answer. It's not 108, okay? So 9 feet. How many feet in that inches? 9 feet in this inches, okay? Just multiplying with 1 by 12. So it's again quarters, like 1 by 4. Yeah, now look, this one is different. So in that one, 73 pounds, how many ounces? So you are going to multiply 73 pounds if the ounces are given. So just simply multiplying with 16. Okay. So multiply with 16 and then in this way you get your answer. Now it's feet to inch. Multiply with 100. But it's inch to feet divide with 12. Sorry, multiply with 12. Like it's feet to inches. Multiply with 12. But it's inches to feet divided with 12. And they are saying that like it's in pound to ounces, then just multiplying with 60. Okay, let's check some test questions. 7 57 feet, how many inches? Just simply multiplying 57 with 12. Got it? Because now the feet is given, that is 57. You finding it out the inches, that is multiply with 12. So simple, when you are going to multiply with 12, what's the answer you got it? So when I multiply 57 with 12, that is 684. Let's check, is there any option for 684? Yeah, option B. Here we go with this one. So 33 cups, how many equals to fluid ounces? So it means that you are just simply, there is 33, then time, you're going to multiply. Okay, like if the cups are given, then the fluid ounces, if the pounds to ounces, then you're multiplying with 16. Now if you are going to check it out for this one, you're multiplying with 8. Okay, what you do, you are going to multiplying with 8 cups to ounces. Okay, so fluid to, like this is cups, that is you can say that it's not a fluid thing, so you just simply multiply 33 with the 8 and then you get the answer 264. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So solve the rest of the questions by yourself now. Okay, related to this one. The third um, lesson from that chapter is convert rates and measurements metric units. So something is in the gram, then you convert it into the milligrams. Okay, like if there is a gram, convert it into the milligram. Milli, it means 1000. Got it? Just multiplying with 1000. You need to memorize all these things. So now the next 100 millimeter is equals to how many meters? So 100 millimeters, how many meters you are going to divide? It's millimeter converting into the meters. Then you are going to divide with 1000. Okay. You need to understand all these units because these are the customary units. Then you are going to basically memorize all of it. Okay. So 799 grams. How many grams? 799 grams. That is equals to how many milligrams? Just simply multiplying with 1000. Okay, grams to milligrams multiplying with 1000, and then you are going to check it out the answer. Like for example, there is 799, or if I'm going to say that, like some questions convert. Okay, let me put it here, a question. Okay, so 1 gram is how many of its milligram? That is equals to 1000 milligrams. Okay, so in this way, you're going to check it out. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. And when we are saying that it's 5 gram, so just simply multiply 5 with 1000. What's the answer? It's 5000. Okay. This is the thing that we have done for grams to milligrams. And this is done for grams to milligram. Now, let me also tell you for meters to centimeters or millimeters. Okay. You also write down this thing. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, like it's 1 m is equals to 100 cm. Okay, like for example, if we can say that um, 8 meters, convert it into the centimeters, simply 8 times 100. So you're going to check, then you got the answer, this 800. Okay, this is the thing that we have done. First of all, grams to milligrams. For gram to milligrams, it's multiplying with 1000. For meters to centimeter, it's multiplying with 100. Okay, and then let's check, is there any other thing? Yeah, it's only gram to milligram and milligram to gram as well. Yeah, or only, yeah, grams to milligram. As we know that for 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Okay, So let's check some another question. Now here is it's centimeter to milligrams. Okay. Sorry, centimeters to millimeters. Firstly, let me tell you that. So centimeter to millimeter. Okay. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Okay. And 1 centigram is equals to how many? 1 centigram is equals to how many milligram? 1 centigrams is equals to how many milligrams? It's 10 milligram. This is the way. Then we already done it. Okay. Then let's pause for kilogram. Kilogram to centigram. Okay. Or you can say that not kilogram. It's just a big unit. Okay. So these are all the things that we have done. Where I put it? Yeah. 1 meter, 100 centimeters, 1 centimeters, 10 milligrams, and I also put one more thing. Yeah, and 1 grams is equals to 1000 milligrams. Okay, these are all the things. So let's do some more. Now look at here. It's kilogram. These are all the customary units. Kilograms to grams. Now for kilograms to gram, as we know that 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram, this means k means kg, that means 1000 grams. Okay, it's in 1000. 1 kilogram, that is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, just simply for example, here is 2 kilogram, multiply 2 with 1000 and then convert it into the grams, that becomes 2000 grams. Okay, this is the way to solve it. Okay, then I think so we have covered all of it. Yeah, just repeating the things here. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. Okay, then if you have a questions like this way, 1 meter, that is equals to how many centimeters, you are multiplying with 100. If they're saying 1 centimeter is equals to how many millimeters, that is 10. And if 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams, that is 1000 grams. Hope you guys understand all these lessons. So today we covered grade 9 maths, the first chapter that we covered, which is persons. Only two lessons are left from that chapter, that is percent of a number, tax discount, and more, multi-steps problem with percent. And the second chapter, that is measurements, which is the three lesson today we covered. That is, the first lesson is precision, then it's convert rates and measurements customary units, then convert rates and measurements metric units. Hope you guys, before starting the next session, you guys can practice all these questions. And if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors on Skype that are available Monday to Friday 5 to 9 p.m. So for now, have a good day, you all. Bye.